Hey guys, we're gonna install a pair of surf hooks. It's a great option to put boards in the outside of your van, especially paddle boards, the inflatable ones, if you don't want those giant bags inside of your rig. You do need a surf pole ladder or 2 surf poles or kind of a setup to mount these two, which is in another video. On this one, we're just gonna cover how to mount these up. It's always a good idea to grab all the tools that you're gonna need ahead of time, print out your instructions if you want those, get all your hardware and everything laid out, make sure you have everything you need, and then we'll dive in. The hooks and the brackets are actually designed to go right side or left side. You just flip them. So the first thing that you need to do is determine which side you want to mount them to. It's a bunch of factors: how long the boards you're running are, how far apart you mounted your surf pole from your ladder or the second surf pole. So take your time, take a tape measure, get your boards out and really figure out where you want these hooks to mount up on the van, and then come back and get your brackets assembled. Once you've decided which side of the ladder or the pole you're mounting your hooks to, we're gonna go ahead and get these assembled. The thing you need to do is make sure these are loose. If they didn't come loose from the factory, loosen them up just a little bit, and then we will assemble the stack of the brackets. Grab one of your brackets and 2 of these custom UHMW bushings. You'll see there's a little pocket machined in there for this bushing to push down into, so the smooth side's up. If you want the hook on the left side of your polar ladder, make the bracket look like this. If you want the hook on the right side of your polar ladder, make the bracket look like this. Once that is set in place, take one of your bolts and a flat washer, drop down through, and then you'll go flat washer and a nylock. For now, we're gonna leave this loose. We'll get the other ones assembled, and then we'll come back and we'll show you how to tighten that bushing down so that they're nice and firm. Once these are loosely assembled, we're gonna go ahead and tighten up this main pivot bolt. You wanna tighten it down to where it's snug and you can still kind of move this bracket, but not super tight. And then we'll get that final adjustment once it's on the van. With the bracket snugged up, you're gonna come back and tighten these top bolts on that upper L bracket. Now we are gonna go install this on the van. Grab the back of your brackets and 4 bolts, and we're gonna start with the ladder. The ladder has the rungs for your steps on it, so it's the most difficult to work around getting your height set. So we're gonna set that one first, and then we'll match it with the hook up front. On our ladders, you'll see that there's kind of 3 flat surfaces. You want to make sure that both of your brackets are on that same flat surface and that it's not trying to span over one of these bends. Before you tighten these clamps down, you just want to make sure that it's positioned nicely. There's some hard stop points at a 90 and then when it's parallel to the van. So if you open it up, you feel where it wants to stop, and then just look down the line and make sure that you like how that lines up on your van before you tighten these down. You can approach this one of 2 ways. You can do it just on visual appearance, get it set on there, make sure you like where it's positioned up and down, or you can take a tape measure and measure from the ground up. It's really up to you how particular you want to be about getting them even. For this one, I'm actually just gonna measure up to the bottom of this bracket, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of blue tape and give myself a line over there to make my life easier. Once you get everything installed on the van, you can grab it and feel how loose or how tight it is. It's really a preference, but if you want to tighten or loosen the resistance of that pole on there, it's just as simple as tightening this bolt. That's it. That's how to install the surf hooks. Pretty straightforward. If you got questions, if there's something we didn't cover or a configuration you want to run, or whatever else you guys got, hit us up at customer service. Our guys love to talk, and we'd be happy to chat vans with you.